wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best longboards for beginners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the 7-inch reverse kingpin trucks on the Volador freeride are capable of being quickly adjusted to either a 45 or 50-degree angle, allowing for virtually effortless cruising, responsiveness, and turning accuracy at all times. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry too. It comes with carbon steel bolts and an eco-friendly epoxy glue. However, it tends to rust over time. At number 9, great for both kids and adults alike, the ruggedly made ancheer pintail supports a maximum weight of 220 pounds and offers the benefit of dependable chrome and steel bearings, making it an ideal choice for both freestyle riding and downhill sprints. This one's got a low center of gravity and an extremely affordable price tag, but the skull graphic is rather small. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the 10-toe Z has a maple and bamboo riding platform topped with super adhesive grip tape that delivers the highest degree of steadiness possible, regardless of whether you're gliding through rough urban backroads or coasting across busy downtown streets. It's equipped with riser pads for reduced vibrations and comes fully assembled. However, it is very heavy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for longboards for beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you're new to longboarding, get up to speed figuratively and literally riding the Sanview Cruiser, a multiply extra smooth Canadian maple deck. Polyurethane bushings and high rebound casters make it super easy to control and execute sharp turns when rolling downhill. It supports up to 260 pounds and offers a fast break-in time, but the exterior finish scuffs easily. Moving up our list to number 6, catch some exciting concrete waves by boarding the Krown Complete Pintail. Available in 17 unique designs, the combination of its classic shape and caster wells work together to prevent wheel bite, making it perfect for carving hills, cruising, and learning new tricks. It's equipped with 6-inch aluminum trucks and resilient mounting hardware. However, it is on the noisy side. Halfway up our list at number 5. Whether you consider yourself a pack skater or a lone traveler, stepping on the yocaher Spirit Wolf will give you a howling good time. The heavy-duty alloy trucks and cue ball wheels are built to withstand rolling over the most extreme of terrains. This one comes in several shapes and is both sleek and attractive, but the bearings are a pain to replace. At number 4, equipped with a maple deck, precision ABEC 9 bearings, and premium polyurethane wheels, the street surfing kicktail is a force to be reckoned with, regardless of whether you're cruising the main avenues of a busy city or traversing a crowded boardwalk. This one's a good option for kids as it's lightweight and easy to carry. However, it is rather narrow. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the fashionable Quest Super Cruiser provides a 7-ply construction that consists of a combination of both artisan bamboo and hardwood maple. Its use of 4mm risers and wheel wells work in tandem to provide extra ground clearance, while also preventing sudden stops. This is a reverse kingpin truck configuration with an aerodynamic nose and kicktail. The deck is extremely durable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for longboards for beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Shark Wheel Fathom sports a slightly concave shape and a dropped platform built to lower one's center of gravity while riding, delivering plenty of control at fast speeds. Its rollers feature a wave pattern design that minimizes friction and improves road traction. It's available in several colors and resists hydroplaning. It comes with high-performance bearings. And taking the top spot on our list, constructed from the highest quality of sustainable wood possible, the bamboo pintail Tiki Man boasts a sturdy and flexible deck that reaches a maximum length of 44 inches and a width of 9.5 inches, ensuring superior stability on both hills and flat surfaces. It features decorative stripe inlay work, a 31-inch wheelbase, and clear grip tape. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for longboards for beginners, or simply click beneath this video.